ironing board, just to do a recap real quick, we've pinned the first set of flying geese onto the side of our quilt block. And now we're going to go ahead and sew that. I'll take you over here to the sewing machine. Alright, if you're just joining the second part, because maybe you did your quilt already or whatever, I'm using a size 12 needle and white thread. My stitch is always the same, 2.5. And we're sewing the first set of flying geese on the side of the quilt. The object here is that when you get up, and let me see if I can move the camera. Hold on one second. All right, here is the object of what I was talking about. See this? Here's your cross seam right here. Right there. So the object of sewing is when you come across with your needle, you do not want to go on the left-hand side of this. This is the peak of the flying geese. If you go on the left-hand side over here, you've cut the tip of his nose off. All right, so you want to stay on this side. If you could, it'd be great to go right on that right there. The way to do that is you're going to have to come up really, really slow when you get to this point, and then go over it. All right? And I might be a smidgen away from it. I'm going to take a peek at it here. Whoop. For some reason my fabric is, whoop, there we go, folded over, and I'm not quite sure why. Let's go down a little bit further so we can look at it. Let's take a peek here. See, I didn't go over the tip of it. I left a little bit. Let me see what this one's going to do. No, it's going to leave a little bit, which I'd rather have a little bit than losing my tip. I guess I could always go back and make my seam smaller to catch it, but I don't think I want to do that, actually. Let's just, I'm going to check out this other one too. Just a second here, we're going to take a peek. And I am going 1/4 inch. Let's take a look at this one here. See, that's got a little piece too, so I am fine with that because I am doing the 1/4 inch. I'd rather have more bird than less bird. Let's see here. I really need to practice on my flying geese. I guess I need to make a flying geese quilt to do that, huh? Maybe that's what I ought to do. It'd definitely be practice. Making them and sewing them, that's for sure. Oops. Alrighty, let's take a look at this. Well, it looks pretty nice. Alright, I'm going to put the geese on the other side and then sew it. We have done so far. Now we're going to do the other side. And this is the one that we sewed that little white block on. That's like a cornerstone. Alright. The hourglass one looks like that. But anywho, so this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pin it. And then I'm going to get the other one pinned. Right, here's the one side already pinned. Alright, there we have it, both sides. I'm going to take it over there and get it ironed. All we got left is the orange. Now I'm going to iron that side, and then we're going to go on to the last strips, which are the orange, to put on all four sides. Alright, here is the orange strip, and it's the short one. And what I did was I mislabeled mine. I put the long one as the short one. But that's okay, because as soon as I laid it out there, I realized what I had done. Because one, let me find out here. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, one of your strips, which is this is the strip that we're using on the side, is the 34-inch. You should have two of those in whatever color you've done it, if you didn't buy this kit of color. Otherwise, it's that orange. And I'll show it to you here. I sew a little bit more. There it is right there. It's that orange. And we're going to be doing all four sides. This is what I call the sashing, or the border print. Because then after that, all you got to do is sandwich it, quilt it, and then the black, in this case, it's black with white circles with gray in the inside, and that's what the binding fabric is. If you're ever wondering in my videos, when I'm sitting here at the sewing machine and I've got an introduction or something and my right hand is down below the machine, it's because my dog will not be quiet without being touched, and that's what I'm doing in all those videos. Like right now, I'm sewing with my right hand and touching her with my left to keep her quiet every now and then before I have to adjust the fabric. I'm not quite sure what she needs. She's been up here with me all morning. She might have to go to the restroom. I might have to get her a snack or something here. Well, up. Just a minute. I guess I'm going to need to make myself a sling so I can put her in it while I'm sitting here at the sewing machine. Get this right here done. Just a sec. Just a minute. All right. So that's the one side. Here's what it looks like. Go ahead and pin your got 3 remaining and sew them up, and then I will show you what it looks like. I'll put it up here on the design wall. I'm going to take this one quilt off because I've got to get it quilted. So, and let me take a break real quick and then I will be back. Okay, here it is on the design wall. Hopefully I'm not going to make anybody dizzy. Backing up here so you can see it. It really turned out really good. It's on a little bit crooked, but that's fine. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit the like button. I want to thank Fort Worth Fabric Studio for actually having this free on their website for anybody to download. And it was designed by Lindsey. And I also want to thank all the YouTubers that I have that actually went ahead and downloaded this and was following me along. Next time I'm going to start doing some unboxing because I have a couple of Halloween unboxings to do. If I don't get started, October's going to be over. And I hate to say that since it just started. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.